Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam, and followmytrades.com here with Trade Theory on Thursday, February 17th, 2022. So we're looking at a chart on gold versus the US dollar right now. This is a weekly chart showing that price with gold is starting to rise significantly versus the dollar, approaching the 1950-11 level that I've been speaking up for several months. It's finally starting to take off in that direction. On the daily chart, actually a few days ago, the market turned around right at the turn of the week, and the market actually moved long, and now the market is actually in a level 2 long. And sorry about that. That was my alarm clock going off, reminding me to do something else. I set a lot of reminders, by the way. So on all these three major time frames, on the 4-hour and above, gold is starting to rise. So it's starting to play out. I'm curious to see if it's going to hit the 1950-11 level that we've been screaming and talking about for the last so many months, going back into 2021. Bitcoin right now on the daily chart is actually still in a pullback from what I call a level 2 long, which means that a trend had started back in this area right here when it looked like it was trending down. It turned around, and then now it pushed up into this area. I see a pattern here that's trying to continue to form to give it an opportunity to push higher. We probably have a couple more days to determine if this trade is actually going to continue to push up. So on the daily, it's actually pulling back off of this long and establishing itself. I think by Friday of this week, we should have a definitive understanding of what it's doing. As I mentioned last week, at the end of last week, the goal is to actually have a weekly close above 43,281.50. If we get a close above 43,281.50, then that really solidifies the upward trend. Otherwise, I'm more concerned that this is actually just a pullback and that price is set to possibly reverse and fall. So we'll watch that. We actually won't necessarily know that until around close of business, around 5 p.m. Eastern Central Time on Friday, the 18th. But until we get there, I'm just going to watch it and we see what happens on the daily chart right now with gold. If it pushes up above this level, that would be significant, and closes above here. The level being 44,606.90 on the daily. If it closes above there today, that would be good, but it may not do it for a couple of days. And if it doesn't do it in a couple of days, that's definitely a strong indication that this trade may want to reverse back short. So we'll watch that as well. To learn how to build cash flow for yourself with our do-it-yourself cash flow builder program, go to fmtrades.com to learn how to have cash flow built for you with our DFY cash flow builders program, where you just continue to do what you do as a business owner, entrepreneur, and you plug into what we do so we can scale your cash flow significantly year over year. Follow us at fmtrades.com. Until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.